The Little Haiti Cultural Complex will be hosting a vigil on Thursday, January 12th to commemorate the 7th anniversary of the earthquake that devastated Haiti in 2010. The vigil will begin at the Toussaint Louverture Monument with a candlelit procession led by Femmes Haïtiennes de Miami at 4:30 p.m. on 62nd Street and North Miami Avenue to the courtyard of the Little Haiti Cultural Center. A vigil will immediately follow at 6 p.m. with an unveiling of a dedicated memorial wall and a memoriam service led by the Florida Haitian American Christian Leaders Association. For further details, please call 305-960-2969 or email lhcc@miamigov.com.